So, you bought the new Clear Cut. Awesome stuff, works amazing with all of your different thermal printers. I'm going to show you quickly how this one works. It's going to come out of your package exactly the same as your standard stencil paper. Remove your there. Place your design on the bottom sheet, like so. And you're going to put it into your clear carriers. Boom. Just like normal. Nothing different than you're used to doing with standard stencil paper. All these are going to run a little bit different. Speed, heat, different things like that come into play. Mine I usually set kind of in that 1 o'clock position, but I've also used printers that run a little bit hotter, quicker. So kind of feel it out, see where it burns the best. But there's no wait time. Put it in, send it through. And you got your clear stencil. All right. Pretty simple.